Hey foodies, welcome back to Aiza Kitchen Recipes. Today we are whipping up the creamiest, dreamiest spaghetti carbonara. Authentic, simple, and absolutely delicious. Let's get cooking. First up, let's talk ingredients. You'll need 400 grams of spaghetti, 150 grams of pancetta or guanciale, diced, 3 large eggs at room temperature, a cup of grated pecorino romano or parmesan, freshly cracked black pepper, salt, and don't forget to save some of that pasta water. Pro tip, use high-quality eggs and cheese. It makes all the difference. All right, let's cook the pasta. Get your water boiling and add a good amount of salt like the sea. Cook your pasta al dente. Remember, we're finishing it in the sauce later. And don't forget to save 1 cup of that pasta water before draining. Trust me, this is the secret to a silky sauce. Next, crisp up that pancetta. No oil needed. The pancetta's fat will do all the work. Keep the heat medium-low for even cooking until it's beautifully golden and crispy. While that's sizzling, we're making our egg sauce. Whisk together 3 large eggs, a cup of grated pecorino romano, and a generous amount of freshly cracked black pepper. No cream here. Real carbonara is all about the magic of eggs and cheese emulsifying with pasta water. Now comes the fun part, combining everything. Add your cooked pasta to the pan with the pancetta and make sure the heat is off. Pour in the egg mixture and toss vigorously. You want to move fast to avoid scrambled eggs. The residual heat from the pasta will create a luscious, creamy sauce. Add pasta water little by little until the sauce is glossy and coats the spaghetti perfectly. Time to plate and garnish. Twirl that pasta onto a plate, sprinkle with extra cheese and pepper, and dig in while it's hot. Creamy, salty, and oh so perfect. If you love this recipe, hit like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments, what pasta should I make next? See you next time in Aiza's Kitchen.